I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Naman natin na pagkatapos nga ng big announcement ng ating couple sa ASAP ay talaga namang in-interview nga agad sila at narito nga guys sa naging pahayag ng ating Donnie Pangilinan patungkol dito.
Naginginig pa tayo, di ba? Parang,
Natatakot ako magsalita. Pero we're so excited.
no, I think we've been keeping this kasi
Ayon pa nga guys dito, Pangilinan shared that the movie has been kept under wraps for quite some time, making the announcement even more special. We've been keeping this from a lot of people for a very long time. It's been in the works for quite some time. Me and Belle have spent some time working with ourselves and doing our own stuff, Pangilinan said.
keeping this kasi from a lot of people for a long time. You know, it's been in the works for quite some time. So, you know, me and Belle have
Yan nga guys na kung saan ay talagang pinag-uusapan na lalong-lalo na nga ang last na sinabi ng ating Donnie Pangilinan na talagang more matured nga raw sila dito sa movie. Kaya naman talagang abangers ng maraming bablis patungkol dito. Kaya naman marami pa nga talaga tayong dapat abangan sa ating couple ngayong araw.